What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another yard from flooding by extending out their downspout and tying in the sump pump with it to take it 50-60 feet away from the house to help prevent water from going into their crawl space. So let's get into it. All right, here we go. As you can see, this is what we got going on. We had the sump pump coming out directly next to the foundation. Same with the downspout, gas line and everything, and all this, as you can see, is all flooded out, going all the way down over here and flooding down the foundation of the fence. This was going on for God knows how long. Now I'm going to run it 50-60 feet out that way to a pop-up emitter inside a mini dry well, so that way the water will be able to facilitate back into the ground a whole lot easier and be near the trees to help soak up some of the water. So let's get started. All right, and here we go. Now we have it all dug out. Now we just got to make sure, put the pipe together, get our level, and then show you how everything looks afterwards. And here we go. And please always remember, guys, when you are dealing with a pressurized system at all, when you're doing the sump pumps, you have to glue. Okay, make sure you glue everything so that way when it pops on, the pressure of everything coming on does not tear your system apart. So once again, as a reminder, always glue. All right, and here we go. We have it all piped up, put together. And as you can see, the whole pipe, we have it going extremely downhill to level all the way. Come down here to the last piece before the pop-up and downhill to level. And then when all the water comes all the way down here, it's gonna fill up the mini dry well, build up, come up, facilitate out, go, and then drain all up in this area to where the trees are and everything. But now it'll be away from the house foundation, so that way they won't be getting water going in their crawl space anymore. Now to backfill and show you how everything works. And this is how you test the system. Put the hose in at the furthest point, which is right here at the corner, and the water's going to run all the way down here to the end where I have the pop-up and the mini dry well. As the water is building up, it's also trying to drain into the ground. When it can no longer drain into the ground, it's going to build up, overflow, facilitate out, and then go out here towards the trees and the grass. Now to sit and wait for it to build up. And here we go. Water comes down, makes the pop up. Obviously it would be popping up a lot higher when we have actual rain event and you have more head pressure. But this is how it goes, and the water facilitates, goes out, goes all the way up into the yard. And this way it's no longer dumping right next to the foundation of the house. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.